I'm gonna do something really exciting. I gotta show you guys the tee that we're wearing first. Acura Grand Prix of Long Beach, beautiful baby blue tee. The back features the full race car print. Let's go ahead and get into our adventure of the day. You already know which car we're taking. It's kind of dirty though, but that's okay.
In 12 miles, take exit.
Another TLX with the A-Spec Integra. This is pretty cool. So we got the little cafe, and we got the cars over here. This is a Type-S where you get to drive the Type-S, and you can drive the Integras over there. After you're done, you get some teas and a goodie bag. So let's take a look at the driving course over here. Them boys whipping it. This shit's crazy. Now this, you know what the fuck I want. I name this baby Iris if I get it. Oof. God, we gotta see that intersex 1000%. Look at that. Got me with the badge, with the lanyard, name tagged up, little bracelet. That's hard. I get to drive the gray one. Oh shit. Big blue. All set, appreciate it. This shit is insane. Them boys squealing and screeching on the corner. We in the MDX Type-S, and goddamn, this car works. Handles fucking immaculately. I'm not gonna film too much because I'm really focused on driving here. And the dude in front of me who was in this car before fucked up cones, was tire screeching out the ass. So I want to be respectful of Acura for giving me this experience. But we have to drive the MDX first, and then you get to drive the TLX. So let's get back to driving. I get to drive the white one. Shit. All right, so Matthew of editing Matthew here. Just to let you know, before we get into the driving dynamics of the TLX Type-S, I cut it down a little bit so you guys didn't have to sit through all of it, but I did leave quite a bit. As far as it goes when it comes to cars that I would love to look forward to purchasing in the future, I have a pretty big list. However, out of all of the ones that I have on that list, the TLX Type-S or even a TLX A-Spec is the one car that no matter what, if I see it on the road, I will freak out because I just genuinely love the car. I love how it looks. When it comes to it, it has everything I want in a car. May not be the fastest, it may not be the craziest, coolest car, so to speak, but for me, it does everything I want it to do. Excuse me. And genuinely, I love that car. I'd call this my attainable dream car, my attainable daily driver. Of course, there are crazier cars out there on the market, but for everything I would want it to do, this is the perfect car for me, and this is why I reacted this way. Let's get back to it. We are inside the TLX Type-S. Oh, shit! Ah! All right, there's a tiger out. Yo, I'm so fucking excited. All right, let me put this down and actually use the wireless phone charger because my phone needs to be charged. I appreciate it. Damn, fuck, this powertrain is fucking stupid, bro. We are in the TLX Type-S now, by the way. Yeah, no, I want this car so fucking bad. This is my dream car as far as... Oh, they got a camera crew! Woo! dog. I tire split on the ass on that bitch. Oh, super handling. Oh, the drive goes ridiculous. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna fucking cry, bro. This shit is fucking beautiful. This shit feels so planted, dog. Oh my god. Yeah, no, I'm not picking the phone up out of the cup holder for this shit because I want like the whole driving experience here. Oh my fucking hell. This shit is ridiculous. Oh my god. Fucking hell. A little bit of tire squeal. No, I don't give a shit if you can't go sideways in this bitch. I really want this fucking car, bro. Oh my god. So this is where I gotta pay attention because this is where it splits into two. We got the TLX. Fuck. Oh my god. Wow! Holy shit! Yeah, nah, I definitely need to run that back one more time. Yes, sir.
Go for it.
Woo! Thank you. I fucking love this car. Appreciate it. Wow, look at that. Look, bro, I'm a fucking great driver. This bitch stays so planted. Fuck. This shit is fucking ridiculous. The handling on this shit, oh my fucking hell. I want this car with all, yeah, no. This sold me. That was fucking insane. Holy shit. Now that was fucking ridiculous. Should we drive an Integra? Why the fuck not?
Thanks for listening. All right.
This man
so
Roger
look back
funny.
a little bit. Give me some room. I'm a big person, you know. Anyways, yes, my name is Roger. Yeah, I do have a history of crashing cars. And, so.
Sure is. Time I come into an Acura event, they always have great snacks. Let's do a pretzel. First meal of the day as well. It is currently 2:11. TLX A spec in the lot, but look at this one. This Type-S is lowered. Hold on, look at this one. This one's fucking insane. With the PRL power. Is this a? This is a AHC joint. Damn. Another TLX, and then my boy. Oh yeah. So I actually didn't get a chance to drive the Integra. 2 reasons. The Integra line was actually mad long, but also I gotta be a good student and take this semester seriously and do my homework. So I'm gonna grab a quick re-up on food and then do that. But I'm saying, when I tell you, the TLX Type-S in general is a car that I've just always loved. Getting the chance to drive it now solidifies that is the next car that I need to get. Because that car, fucking ridiculous. It stays so planted. Saw my real reaction there. Woo! Insane.